Welcome back to Kayley's Kitchen. Today we are making egg in a hole with a twist. I got this idea from the Pioneer Woman's Cookbook. The link is in the description below. This is one of my favorite things to have for breakfast. All you need is eggs, butter, a cookie cutter or a cup, sourdough bread or cheese. We're going to start by cutting a hole into our bread. Normally you would crack the egg into the hole and make a sunny side up egg. But today we are going to be making a scrambled egg with cheese with it. Then add a pat of butter to a pan that's at medium or low heat. Now put the bread into your pan. Make sure the heat is low or the butter will burn. Now add your egg mixture. To flip, use a large spatula, and it's okay if some of the egg comes out. Once it's cooked through, take it off the pan and enjoy. If you like this recipe, make sure to click like and subscribe. Delicious.